Hi friends, it's Mel and I'm here today to do an unboxing of the Rosie Studio Oh Joyful Day Christmas collection for 2024. So I'll start off with the papers for this collection. So there's 20 sheets of 12 by 12 paper and 3 of them are foiled. So first is this cute one with these Christmas puddings with little holly embellishment on them. And then this sort of maroony red sweater pattern. And then a peachy tone-on-tone diamond, tiny diamond pattern. And then a kind of bluey green snow globe pattern. So there's like a little Santa and a reindeer, Christmas trees. Cute. And then this plaid, which has got that peachy colour, the red and a green, very Christmassy. Then a red and a white tiny asterisk pattern. These are single-sided, so they're just plain on the back. And then little candy canes and holly and little peppermint swirls there. And just a nice grid pattern. Then a fine candy stripe, and then this has got the gold, there's a gold stripe in there. Just a little holly pattern. This kind of stylized floral, like a tile pattern, and that sort of bluey green. And then a stripe that gives the main colours of the collection, like this chartreuse green, just for something different. And this one is nutcrackers and ballerinas, and it's a white with a light grey grid in the background, like a ledger, and that nice bold green with the tiny asterisk. In a poinsettia paper on a dark green background, and again that's got gold foiling on those bows. And then this one is just a white fa la la, and that's all gold foiling. Gorgeous. This kind of reminds me of bokeh dots, so I guess it's like Christmas lights, reminiscent, on a nice red background. This is a very pale pink tiny star pattern, you can see, and with all the colours in the collection. This is a tone-on-tone Christmas tree print. Different Santas, and that's it for the pattern paper. And then Rosie's have been bringing out coordinating cardstock to go with their collections, and so you get 2 sheets of each in the pack. So there's this dark winey red colour, a bold Christmas red, and Christmas green, of course, that sort of bluey green, a pink, and it's kind of an off-white, and then it's all textured cardstock and solid core as well, so when you tear it it'll be coloured inside as well. Alright, So that's all of the cardstock and 12 by 12 paper. There is a 6 by 6 pad, which is just the same designs, and a slightly lighter weight paper. Say it's heavy paper, and then just scaled down with the same prints, and 6 foiled papers. So we'll just find the foiled ones. So again, that stripe, it's got the foil. And then the poinsettia, again with the bows and the falala. And then we're back to the beginning of those. And then just lately, Rosie's have been bringing out these wood buttons that have the enamels in the middle of them. So they come on foam adhesive, so you can either use that, or if you want slightly less dimension, you can just pop that off. Very cute. In the centre there. Okay, and then this is new as well, a new thing for Rosie's, is some chipboard frames. They've done chipboard frames before in the stickers, but these ones are a bigger size. So there's 12 of those. So 4 of them are snow globes. And then a few different shapes, circles, ovals, and squares. This will be fun. Then there's the chipboard sticker embellishments. So there's 2 sheets of these. Different motifs here. Love that mailbox, it's fun. A snowman, bringing in that nutcracker theme again. And then just the packaging has got this soft pink sweater pattern, so definitely usable in your crafting. Then there are 2 sticker packs. So there's the cardstock sticker pack that they usually have. It's got lots of wordy bits, perfect for cards or just adding the right kind of wordy sentiment for your scrapbook pages or Christmas albums. And then the second page has got little stamps, gold borders, and it's kind of a matte gold. It's really pretty. And some little tickets, banners, motifs, really nice. And again, that same packaging. And then the second sticker pack is clear stickers. So these are good for cards and scrapbook pages alike, but these are quite good being clear that you can add them onto your photos as well, like word art kind of thing, but don't have to do it on your computer. And it does come with 1 through 25 if you wanted to do a numbered Christmas album, or even if you're just doing dates or anything in your journals or whatever, Christmas journals, that kind of thing. Then there are 2 sets of puffy stickers. So there's motifs here, which have got lots of cute things, and then good shapes, stars and diamonds, perfect for adding in just that little final touch. And then these puffy stickers are their nice soft matte finish stickers. And then the second sheet of pack of puffy stickers is a wordy one, so good for titles or cards, And then finally there's 2 packs of die cut cardstock ephemera. So this one is the sentiments pack. So there's 196 pieces. So as usual with Rosie's, 2 of each design. Just show you there what's in there. So lots of good titles in there and wordy bits. Great for cards or just adding in that extra little bit onto your scrapbook pages. They're fun to layer up as well for your holiday albums. And then these are the cardstock ephemera, so there's 140 pieces, so again 2 of each design, so 70 different unique designs. So there's some beautiful florals there, poinsettias, this little car with the tree on, very cute. That mailbox again, all these little mice, so cute, and a little fox. And then again the nutcracker and the ballerina. Great for recording all those dance recitals that happen at Christmas time. So that's the whole collection, loads of things, lots of things to choose from, and perfect for recording all of your holiday memories. So I hope you'll check it out on the Rosie's Studio website. I'll link that below, and I look forward to seeing your Christmas crafting in July. Thanks. Bye.